Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a back button in HTML and JavaScript. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a button which will take you to the previous URL that you were at when you click on it. So in HTML we're just going to make a basic button and we're going to name it Go Back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set an attribute of onClick in the button. And we're going to set that to window.history.back and put parentheses. And now what it will do is when you click the button, it will go back to the previous location. You can see here that I'm clicking it and it's not going back. That's because I'm using an online text editor, so it doesn't have any previous URLs, but in production this would normally work. So that's how to make a back button in HTML and JavaScript. Thank you for watching.